my Shopkins world, and today we're going to be opening up Popette. So in my last video I opened up Alicia and I said I wasn't going to open Popette till the next day, and I didn't because I was like really working hard on school, so I didn't really have any time. So yeah, sorry about the delay, and as you can hear from the background music, my parents are watching the Olympics and they get crazy about it, so they watch and they scream, and I know it's horrific, it's crazy. And I have a bad news. No, it's not. I'm quitting YouTube. I love YouTube so far. It's great. I love Shopkins too. So, I was making this video and I was unboxing this Shopkins. That's why it's already halfway unboxed. I was unboxing the Shopkins. It dropped and I couldn't find it. The video took way too long and I was searching for it and I was literally mad. And then I found it when I ended the video and I was like, yay. So that's why it's half unboxed. So we're going to restart. So, we're going to read this. Here it is. The exclusive Shopkins are named Bowl into Popcorn and Polly Popcorn. So we're going to start reading. Popette, a bowl, a lot of fun, loud and lovable. If there's a camera around, you'll see her head pop up. Movies are this Shoppies life. Popette loves talking about the latest movie she's seen about her Shopkins besties, Belinda and Popcorn and Polly Popcorn are always telling her to keep a lid on it. Favorite hobby, popping out the movies. Shopkins BFF, Belinda Popcorn and Polly Popcorn. Favorite place to shop, the Cinema Popcorn chart. So in the last video, when I was doing Alicia and I saw the two exclusive Shopkins, I didn't know their name, and the ones I was saying, Dumbo, Gabby, and the other one, I was like, who are those people? And then I looked at them at the end of the video and I was like, oh, it's the two exclusive Shopkins. How did I not know that? So we're going to put this over here and we're going to start unboxing. So first, we have Bowl into Popcorn. I'm not sure what that is, if it's ketchup or if it's red sauce or something, but I don't know. But I know that's popcorn. I know this is popcorn, but I don't know what this is. And it's an adorable face. Put that there. And then we have her adorable little popcorn bag. So it has popcorn in it. Oh, by the way, this is Shopkins Shoppies, by the way. Shopkins Shoppies Part 2. And I'm not going to make another part. Yeah. So this is my little, her little bag with popcorn in it and stuff. It's cute and has popcorn around, a little popcorn bag. And then we have Popcorn Polly, and she's really cute. She has like a little bowl of popcorn with a bunch of popcorn in it. And I think she's holding tickets or something. And it's real cute. I mean, you gotta admit it, it's adorable. So yeah. Next we have to get out a brush. Oh god. No, there are bands in here like, okay. Terrible way. I just dropped it, but now I have it, and get this off, okay? So here's the little brush. It's yellow, and it's cute, and it has a little face on it, and it's actually popcorn right there, see? Popcorn. And eyelashes, and cute as that. By the way, I have my trusty scissors. They worked last time. They worked perfect today. Alright, now we're going to get Popette out. So let's get her out. And you can look at the Shopkins for a bit if you want. And it might take a while, so if it does, I am sorry, okay? Okay, her legs are about to be free. Very soon. Alright, I got her legs free. Now time to get her arms free. Alright, now time to get her hair free. This might be hard. Her hair is real puffy. Like, it's really, like... Alright, what's it attached to? I can't really see it. Okay, never mind. I literally just ripped it off. Which I know that sounds terrible, but I literally just ripped it off. Like, boom! So here she is. Oh my god. Look how freaking adorable she is. Okay, watch. Look. Look how cute she is. Look, I love her hair. It's all like yellowy and it looks popcorn. She has a popcorn headband, little like curls. Look at that outfit. Look at that shoe, girl. You look great. All right, I'm going to go stand her on her little stand. Oh my god, this isn't working. Okay, now it is. Look how cute she is. Look. I mean, really, look how cute. Oh my god, my scissors. All right, let me get... Oh, yes. Let me get it on. Oh, no. Okay, pretend that never happened. Okay. There she go. Look how cute she is. She has a little purse. She has her shoes. She has a little outfit. She has some nice hair. A cute little popcorn, headband. She has her Shopkins friends. She has her brush to brush her beautiful blonde popcorny hair. And what I figured out in the last one, the other one came with a VIP for Bubbleisha. Go check out my other video if you haven't seen me unboxing Bubbleisha. So here it is. And this one comes with it too. I think it comes with each Shopkins Shoppies. So here it was like coming in like this. See? And now I get it out. So where are my trusty scissors? I literally just had them. And now oh, no, never mind. I, for some reason, forget things. I'm like Dory. Have you guys seen the movie Finding Dory? If you haven't, you need to. It's real good. So here it is. VIP, it has Popette in it. And yeah, that's VIP for it. It's for the Shopkins game that I have. I have 16 Shopkins on it. Which means I basically collected 16 Shopkins. So here's a full look at her. Alright, and now I'm going to spin her so you can see. There you go. Another look at the Shopkins. Another look at this. Look at the brush. Okay. There you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching my video. Now, and I will check you later. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Popette's out. Bye, guys.